Alright, so look what we have here. Our little plastic piece is finally dried up. But the most important thing is that we got OEM rims. The tires are really bad. They're 14 years old, but we got 4 OEM rims. I'm going to install them and see how they look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Much better. So I just changed the rims, and the old ones are, the winter tires are really rusty. Then are the hubcaps, where you can see the rust beneath. We should paint them black. But I'm shocked of the result of this masterpiece. It already looks like a Fiesta RS or something. And they are not clean. They're missing the hub piece. The tires are all dirty and bad. So with all that, it still looks so much better. Like, oh my god, no words. So the next thing that we need to do is, so this is the generator. This is the generator pulley. And as you can see, the generator belt is completely like dried out. So I've got a new generator belt. It should be the same, but it's a stretch fit. So for this engine, you need to stretch it on, and I think that's going to be the hardest part. So now let's get the car up in the air. So the wheel is off, and this is the generator belt, and yeah, you can see it quite well that it's just really old rubber. New belt. Okay, so this is the old belt. So you can see it's completely dead. And this is our new one. Actually, if you're doing it like 2 people at once, it's quite easy to do. And yeah, nice and fresh. So I think I'm going to Yeah, it's done. I'm going to clean the wheels. All right, so now we have these beautiful rims. I washed them, but the car is looking like 5 times younger. The tires are just completely bad, but yeah. Oh yeah. I think now I should deal with like this problem, and I also should try to remove this bolt, because I want to refurbish this bracket, and this bolt is screwed into plastic and it's just stripped, so it's going round and round. And also maybe something to do with this I could do. And also this bracket here, it's completely brown from rust. I think I'm going to do something like that. Alright, so I put the engine cover bolt, the rock cover bolts in the rust remover, and the headlight bolts. I should wait for 3 hours, but for now I think I could fix this thing up a little bit. So the first thing is to, what is that? Ew. To clean it. Alright, so I wanted more clearance and now I got it. I took off the blades, but look at how dirty it is. See? Ew, that's inside. That's just disgusting. It's all clogged up. It was it was like plastic, like long plastic, like this one here. Long, really thin plastic line. And yeah, I'm glad I took it out, because now I can clean it. So this is what I picked out of the tray. I also unblocked this drain that drains down there, and I sanded down, especially here, because it was already bubbling and I needed in one single like layer. Now it's all taped up, and I'm going to apply the rust remover. The car is ready for paint. It's been a long time since the last clip that you saw, and I returned and I saw this. So we had a mice attack. Nothing crazy, but just annoying. But now, here's the glove box, as you can see, and a friend of mine printed out these hinges. So let's try to fit it. I hope this works. Alright, so they screwed in really nicely. They're white, but that doesn't bother us. Let's hope it fits. Okay, this is the finished product. Oh my god, that's so nice. Okay, something is poking out. I think they're sitting. You can't see it. You can't see it. Here's the broken one. And as you can see, they used a lot less material, which basically causes it to be more fragile. These new ones are 3D printed. So yeah. Okay, yeah, you can see some white. But it matches actually the color. But yeah, maybe in summer I will paint them black. But for now, the pigment is nice and it works. Perfect. Just change the washer fluid to winter fluid so it doesn't freeze. Well, this cap is completely broken. And now let's top off the oil because I'm a little bit short.